In this video, I'll show you how to keep your Facebook account secure and protect it from unauthorized access. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Security and Login section. Here, you should start by enabling two-factor authentication. Tap on this option and follow the steps to add an extra layer of security so that a code is required whenever someone tries to log into your account. Next, check the Where You're Logged In section to see all devices currently using your account. If you notice any device or location you don't recognize, tap the three dots next to it and select Log Out. It's also important to use a strong password. Go to the Change Password option and create a password that is long and difficult to guess. Avoid sharing your password with anyone and be careful about clicking suspicious links sent through messages. Keeping your app updated and reviewing your privacy settings regularly can also help protect your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.